Yo, what's up? My name's Dave and you suck at programming. Alright, to get started, we're going to talk about the thing I talked about last episode in part 5, my based and cringe script for parsing data in bash. So as you can see, we have this data that we want to parse and it's separated by colons, and we have the based way and the cringe way. The reason I'm making this episode is because some of you had questions on how do I know what's actually going to fork and exec external commands, because you guys are cringe, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a based way, alright? So first things first, I'm not on Linux like some of you guys assume, and on this example, I'm not even on my Mac system. I am on an Illumos-based system, so I have DTrace, and that's how I'm going to answer this question. So first things first, let's look at the cringe script. The cringe script is a while read line, but the most important thing is here. We fork the external command cut, cut, and cut. We do that 3 times every time it loops, and how many times we loop? Well, that depends on how much data we have. In this example, we have 3 lines of data, so 3 times 3, we're going to fork 9 external commands here. As opposed to the base script doesn't actually fork any external commands at all because echo is built into the shell. You can verify that with type, and you can see that echo is a shell built in, whereas cut is user bin cut. That's an external command. So how do we do this? Well, we're going to need to fire up some DTrace. This is going to be a lot. If you've never seen DTrace before, oh boy, buckle up. This is going to be fun. But what we want is we want to trace proc exec success. This is every time an exec syscall is successful. And then we only want to look at the progeny of the $target. If this is a lot, yeah, just try to keep up. Fine. Don't worry about it. And then we're going to trace cur ps info, which is our current process information. And we want ps args from that. So this is the arguments of the command that got forked. And then what command gets run? Well, we can run the command right here. So let's run the cringe script and let's see what it does. So bam, okay, we ran the cringe script ran, and as you can see, we forked our bash script here, fine, and then cut ran 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Cut ran 9 times, exactly like I said. Field 1, 2, 3, field 1, 2, 3, field 1, 2, 3. So we forked an exact 3 instances of cut per loop, so 9 times. As opposed to if we run that against our base script, we can see that the only thing that got forked in exec here was bash itself. There was no external commands. And this is how you track external command forking in bash with DTrace, so I kind of cheated.